Hey y'all, happy day one of 13 Days of Halloween 2020. I am so excited to be doing this again this year, and what better way to kick it off than with Winifred Sanderson from Hocus Pocus. This is my all-time favorite Halloween movie, and I'm sure it's a lot of y'all's as well, so I thought it would be the perfect character to start off with. You'll like my new backdrop. That's what I was pointing at the beginning of this video. I'm trying to step up my game this year. But anyways, I'm starting off by covering up my eyebrows, and y'all, I am terrible at this, so do not take my advice for this. You could probably do better than me. Patience is key with this, and that is one thing I do not have. So I'm just using a regular Elmer's glue stick. That's what I've seen a lot of people do for theirs, and I'm just applying a lot of glue, and here I'm just brushing my hair up because you want to do that to make it flat, and then you're going to add a bunch of layers, and you want to make sure the glue is completely dry between each layer. And I think I just don't put enough layers because I just want to get it over with. Now just packing on a translucent setting powder. I've noticed a lot of people will take like a skin color powder, but I don't have that, so I'm just working with what I got. And then I actually end up making a mess trying to get the glue from around my brows. And not gonna lie, this is the third time that I have done this look because of these dang eyebrows. Now taking a stick foundation and placing it over my brows to try and cover them up, and then I'm just going to put this over the rest of my face and just do a normal foundation routine. Even with my Halloween looks, I gotta use Shape Tape. So I'm basically just doing my normal face routine. So I'm applying it under my eyes, my eyelids, and I am adding some to my eyebrows to try and cover them up just a little bit more. I went ahead and set my face and under eyes with a translucent setting powder, and I don't know why I didn't contour because Winnie has really pronounced cheekbones, but oh well. So now I'm just adding a lot of blush, and this one is a pretty bold color, so if you've been wanting to go crazy on some blush, now's your chance. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. I wanted to use a purple shade, but you can use any color you want and just use whatever palette that you have. You don't need this specific one. And right now I'm just building it, and it is taking everything in me not to blend this out. But this is how Winnie's eyeshadow is, so I'm doing it for the YouTube. And I'm using the same color all over. I'm first building it up above my crease, and then I'm also going to apply this all over my lid as well. Next, I'm taking a black eyeliner and lining my lower lash line. Hers is pretty thick and messy, so I'm applying quite a bit. Now I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes and my top lashes because I'm about to add some pretty dramatic false lashes. So I did cover my lips up with foundation just to make them blend in more, and now I'm taking a red lip liner to draw my Winnie Lips. I wanted to be more precise, that's why I'm doing the liner first, and then I'm going to fill it in with a red lipstick. And then all I have to do is put in my teeth, throw on my wig and my cape, and this look is complete. As you can see, it is really easy, so if you need a last minute Halloween costume, this is a great option. If you don't want to do the glue and all those eyebrow steps, then you can just cover them up with concealer and foundation and it will look just as good. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed day 1 of my 13 days of Halloween. Comment down below and let me know what look you are hoping to see from me this year. But if you liked this look and you're excited to see the rest, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the looks. And I will see y'all tomorrow for day 2.